Hey guys, today let's learn how to make YouTube shorts without showing your face. So if you guys want to go ahead and create some YouTube shorts on your own without necessarily showing your face, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to basically go ahead and launch the YouTube application and launch some YouTube shorts right here. So as you see, you're going to come encounter with multiple categories of shorts. We have shorts featuring different categories as well, such as bikes. We have bikes again. We have some mostly bikes. Well, it's going to depend, of course, on your YouTube algorithm and what you guys like to watch on YouTube. Basically, it's going to depend on your liking. But of course, most YouTube shorts right here is going to feature lots of different things. They're either going to feature a B-roll of a specific product. So let's say they're featuring a specific product with, let's say, some tech. That whether that may be a PC, a keyboard, a laptop, a graphics card, processor, RAM, fans, a case, or whatever. Basically, they could create a video on that just using, of course, the voiceover, which is their voice, like what I am doing as of now, and a picture or a photo of the specific product. So they can actually show the product in pleasing to the eye and aesthetically pleasing way. Something like this. We do have a gun right here, which is being shown on the camera without, of course, the face of the person showing. You can actually do something similar to that with showcasing the product that you would like to showcase on there with just, of course, your voice and the product on the video. And that is just a small percentage of what you can do on YouTube with creating YouTube shorts without necessarily showing your face. In this case, you could actually create some animation videos, some product reviews or unboxing, just as I said a while ago, something about gaming. If you're into gaming, like you do play Call of Duty, Valorant, League of Legends, Dota 2, or any of those games, you could actually go ahead and make some content about that just by featuring a screen recording of the game with your voice on there. You could make it about meditation. You could also make it about cryptocurrency, or basically choose whatever you guys are interested in and go ahead and let your ideas speak through your YouTube shorts. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.